Are you team paint it or no paint? People get very passionate about painting furniture. Let me know what you think.
I'm gonna get wild today. I mean wild. You're gorgeous. Who did your makeup? DIY paint? Oh. I just need to ask you why somebody would do this to this antique. Oh, it's ruined. And pet her all night. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. She's naked. I'm so embarrassed for her. My goodness. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lady. Why is she sitting here like this, just like naked? You've ruined her reputation. She's been here for 2 years like this? Well, if you would put some DIY paint on her and accentuate her beauty, I'll do it for free. I'll put her clothes on for free. Yes, I know I'm in the store with my pajamas on. Don't judge. I was just gonna go to Dollar Store and then my car turned in here because I love this place. You sell DIY. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, it's perfect. What do you mean you're fixing to paint it? Are you crazy? Are you on drugs? Do you need help? I know people. I can help you. You can't. I know there's pieces missing and the veneer's coming off and it'll take 5 hours to restore it, just to get it ready to restore. No, you can't. You will ruin it. I'm telling you, you will ruin this piece's life. It will need rehab, just like you do. You need rehab. The first step is to admit that you're wrong. I know you closed 30 minutes ago, but you gotta wait till the rest of the squad gets here. They gotta see how you blended all these colors with DIY paint. I didn't know that paint did that. Like, get a move on, girls. Okay, the game is about to begin.
All my products are linked in the description box, and follow me on all my socials, decorizing your life.